Hello guys, welcome to a new video of the DBMS question series. Today we are going to talk about the question set 37. In question set 30, we have created our database and we have completed the details in the database. So in the previous videos, we have discussed the view option in the database. So today again, we are going to discuss about the create view option in the database. Okay, now in our first question, they are asking which of the users registered with the shop is living in Kurunagala. Create a view for this. Do not use the graphical method for that. Okay, now we have to create a view. Before that, we have to write a query to find the users who is living in Kurunagala. Okay, now you know how to write a query. So I have wrote a query here. As you can see here, I have select all the users from the user table. Then I have inner join the address table and the user table. Then I have inner join the city table on address table, because they have given a condition and we have to find the result where the city name is Kurunagala. Therefore, the city and the address ID are in different tables. As you can see here is my city table. Here you can see. Then in the user table, here you have the address ID column. And in the address ID table, here you can get the city ID. So we have to interconnect those three tables together. So we have to use inner join. So since I have used inner join, then I have checked whether the city name is Kurunagala. Then I execute the query. Here you will get all the details you want. But in here, in the question, they are asking to create a view. So I'm going to create a view. Now you know how to create a view. So I'm going to write create view. Then you have to suggest a name. Here I'm going to name my view as city. Then you have to use as. Then you have to execute the query. Okay, in our second question, they are asking to update the query statement required to get the user ID, first name, last name, information in the view created above. Okay, now we have to write these things. Here I have selected the first name from the user, last name from the user. Then I have selected the city name from the city and the contact number from the user. Then I have joined the previous tables together. When I execute the query, here you will get the result. I'm going to create my view here. Okay, now when I refresh my database, we will get the result. Okay, as you can see now here, you can see the view. When I click it here, you will get the view that you have created. Okay, now third question, they are asking create a view to see all the GRN must include GRN ID, GRN date and provider name. Okay, now again we have to write a query. Here I have select the GRN ID, GRN date and from the GRN table and the first name and last name from the user table. So in here I have used two columns, therefore I have to inner join those two columns. Here I have inner joined the GRN table on the user ID. When I execute the query, here you will get the result. So in here we have to create a view. So I'm going to create a view. Create view. I'm going to name the view as GRN details. Okay, now I'm going to execute the query. Here I have executed the query. When I refresh the database, here you will get the GRN details view here. Okay, now in my last question, they're asking the GRN view you created above includes the details of all GRN purchase items and rearrange this view. In this view, it is sufficient to display GRN ID, GRN date, first name, last name, product name, quantity, unit price, selling price. Okay, again we have to inner join some tables here. Here I have selected GRN ID, GRN date from the GRN table, then the first name, last name from the user table, then the product name from the product table, the quantity, selling price, unit price from the GRN item table. Then I have inner join the GRN table from the user table, then the GRN item table on the GRN table, then the product table on the GRN item, because those details are in three different tables, so we have to integrate those tables to get the information they are asking. So when I execute the query, here you will get all the result. So in here they are asking to create a view, so I'm going to create a view. Create view. I'm going to name it as all details as. Okay, now I'm going to execute the query. Okay, when I refresh my database, here you will get the view as all details, as you can see here. When I click it, here you will get the query that you have written here. So we have complete our question. So if you have any question, do not forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you again from another video. Thank you.